Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to create a list within Clickup. So it is pretty simple. I've created just a regular old test space within Clickup, and a list is going to be a subset of that. So let's say we have a household. You might have underneath a household space, you might have a list of things that need to get done, or like a honey-do list. That could work out. Now this is just a test list, but we can break down the work into a simple task. Let's say a project that I could be working on is buying a car or doing car research. But let's do buy a car, and then we can have the different research pieces as underneath that list. So now we've created the buying a car list. So now we can add a bunch of different things here. We can add a couple different AI features. You can add formula, labels, location. Now you're going to want to enter in different tasks. So let's say, let's plan out the budget is going to be one. Let's say narrow down requirements, research possibilities. That is not how you spell possibilities. But let's see if we can correct that. There we go. All right. And then we might want to go on a test drive. Drive, prep funds, etc. So now we have 5 different things that we could do. We can start the statuses from scratch, or we could add some statuses. So if we wanted to add a couple statuses, let's go ahead and start from scratch. Now, if we want to add a status, what we can do is we can come up here and hover over, and then we can add in a status name. Let's go ahead and say, let's have it's blocked, and then we'll have it be red. So I'm going to click save there. And then we can enter this in for just this list only, or for the entire space. Now this is just a test space, so I just want to do it for this list. So now I am going to change this status from prep fund, so I grab that over there, and then I'm going to move that up to blocked. Let's say I need to open up a separate checking account. I need to move the funds over from one account to another account. That would be blocked. You could add other ones there, but that's kind of just a simple how to add a list. There are other features that you can add and that you can customize. You could also change this into a board. So if we wanted to show, we have all the to-dos over here in a Kanban with all the different things that you might want to add on there. So you've got who's it assigned to, you've got the date, who's it flagged, is the priority, and then let's say if we are working on narrowing down requirements, we can put that in progress. It's a little easier to drag and drop than try and change the statuses from the list. The list is really great if you are doing a bunch all at once. I like to do that for my video ideas, but then I can go over to the board view. I like to use them both in tandem, so then I can quickly just drag and drop it. But that is just a quick overview of how to create a list, how to use some of the basic features of a list. Of course, you can change your assignees to yourself. You can add a couple automations. If we wanted to do a little AI project update here, let's go ahead and see that. Let's go ahead and generate that. All right. It's great. Awesome. That's a little project update. So then you could read that, or you could send that off to whomever. But hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials down in the description down below. Oh, and don't forget to ask any questions in the comments. I'll try and get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks so much. Catch you guys in the next one.